Hindi, kayak lang.
Oo.
Sa labas lang yung bangka. Maganda din yung Twin Lagoon. Kahit yung Kayangan Lake nila.
Oo.
Kayangan View hindi.
Dito kasi bawal yung ganun na mas katulad sa Kayangan Lake yung nilagyan ng parang sagdanan. Parang patungan dito, hindi kasi pinapayagan yung ganun.
This is amazing. Look at that.
The Red Bull cliff diving is from the top. You can jump here. Look on the it's a very shallow. Like what is the shallow area?
That's okay. I'm staying in the boat.
Ano yung ginagawa nila kuya?
Cliff diving po.
Layo.
Cliff diving.
Yeah. From the top of the mountain here. We can use bamboo ladder going up. We can put the bamboo here.
Yeah, good luck with that.